Class 3, how are you all? Now today I am going to teach you computer. Your third chapter, see in the page number 18. Your third chapter is functions of keyboard, how keyboard work. Okay, in this chapter we will discuss about alphabet and number keys, some special keys and functions of special keys. Hi friends, you know that the keyboard is an important part of a computer. Let us learn more about it. You all know about that. The main part of computer, the keyboard is very important part of computer. With the help of keyboard, we can type our text and numbers, and we can use these with the help of these keyboards. With the help of keys, we use shortcut keys. Okay, we use space bar key, space. We delete any text. Okay, the keyboard. Now let's start your chapter. The keyboard is an input device. You know that keyboard is an input device. It is attached to the CPU with a cable. We can type numbers, words and characters with its key. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. In your previous class you have already learned that the standard keyboard has keyboard. Okay, we will discuss about here keyboard has keyboard is an input device. Okay, input device, and we can attach these input device keyboard in CPU, and we can type character, letters, words, numbers with the help of keyboard and a standard keyboard. Standard keyboard has 104 keys. Okay, this is important. Now here is the picture of keyboard. Look at here, see here, this is the picture of keyboard. The letter keys, okay, Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P, A, B, C, D. Okay, these are alphabet keys, and F1 to F12, these are functions key. Okay, number key, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are numbers keys, and some numbers keys are there. Okay, and space bar key, look at here, this is space bar key, this is the longest key in keyboard, and this is backspace key. This arrow key is backspace key. We can delete our text with the help of backspace key, and we can delete our text also with delete keys, but some different, both of them. Okay, now shift key, here is shift key. Okay, control key, arrow keys are there, 4 arrow keys are there, shift key, alt key, space bar key. Okay, here are some keys. Okay, now types of keys. The keyboard contain various types of keys. These keys are types of keys. Types of keys. alphabet key. Okay, alphabet key, you know that alphabet keys A to Z keys are called alphabet keys. Number key 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, these are number keys. Number keys. Special keys. Special keys. Special keys are like comma, brackets, and function key F2, F1 to F12 key, which is called function key. Alphabet keys. Now see here, here's the picture of alphabet key. Now look at here. These are alphabet keys. Look at the picture of keys given below. These are 26 alphabet keys marked from A to Z. These are alphabet keys. These are 26 keys. Okay. These keys used to type word, sentence and paragraph. With the help of these alphabet keys, we can type word, we can type our text, word, sentence, paragraph. These keys are arranged in such a way that the user can work fast. These keys are arranged in some different way that user can easily type our words. Okay. Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, U, O, P. These are the sequence of keys on computer. Number key. We use the number keys of type numbers. These keys are present at two places on the keyboard. These number keys are present at two places. Okay, they are present in row above the top of row of the alphabet keys. These keys are present in the row above the alphabet keys. You can also find the number key at the right side of the keyboard. These keys, these are in place in right side of the keyboard. These keys are together known as numeric keyboard. These keys are called numeric keyboard. To use this keypad, press the numlock key. Here is the button or the key of numlock key. Once if we press this key once, the numlock indicator light will glow for you to use it. Okay. When we press this key at once, light will be glow and we can use these keys. Okay, we can lock these keys by press again the numlock key. Special keys. Some special keys are there. Space bar key. The space bar key is the longest key present on the keyboard. It is used to give a blank space between the letter, word or numbers. We can use these space bar key. This is the longest key also, and we can use it is used to give a blank space. With the help of this space bar key, we can use blank space between our letters or words or number. We can press the space bar key many times to provide a longer space between the text. If we need a longer space between two text or two paragraph, we use this key many times. Fact files. Now see here, fact files, the small bumps and ridges are found on alphabet key F and J. When we see on our keyboard, we see that the key F and the key J has some bump and ridge like this arrow type ridge on your keyboard, so that user correctly position their left and right hand without looking at the computer. When user use this with the help of this ridge and bumps, they can type our text correctly with the help of this ridge and bumps of F and J keys. Okay, now turn your page. Now see in the page number 20, caps lock key. Caps lock key is also a special key. This key is used to type the letter in capital face. Okay, with the help of this key we can type our letter in capital face. When you press the caps lock key once, its light indicator on the keyboard turns on. When we press this caps lock key once, the light indicator on the keyboard turn on. Press it once again and the light indicator will turn off. Spacebar key. The spacebar key is used to delete anything typed on the left side of the cursor. With the help of spacebar key we can delete our text in left side of the cursor. Okay, now shift key. There are two shift keys present on the keyboard, one on the left side of the keyboard below the caps lock key, and the second on the right side on the keyboard below the enter key. To use the shift key, just hold it down and press any alphabetic key. The letter you type will appear on the screen either in capital face in the caps lock key is off, or small face if the caps lock key is on. With the help of this shift key, when we press shift key and any alphabetic key, we use our letters in capital face or small face, either the caps lock key is on or off. Okay, it doesn't matter, we can use our letters in capital or small letter with the help of this shift key. Now look at here, press here is the example of the shift key. When we press shift key and any letter, small letter S, it's shown in capital letter. Okay, when we press shift plus this numeric key, this S3, this hashtag will be shown on your monitor. Okay, we can also type the symbol printed on the top of the number keys, holding down the shift key. With the help of shift key we can use the symbols which is shown on this numbers key. Here is some numbers key with some symbols are there. We use this symbol by pressing shift with this symbol. Okay, if we need the symbols. Now enter key. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. With the help of enter key we used next line. This key is also used to send commands and instruction into the memory of your computer. This key is also used to send command. We can send a command or instruction with the help of this enter key. Symbol key. Now see here, this is the symbol key. The symbol key has characters marked above on the number keys. Look at here, exclamatory, @ of, hashtag, $, %, okay, and star, bracket close, bracket open. These are some symbol keys. The characters can be typed by pressing the shift key. When we use this symbols, we press shift with this number key. Now tab key. Tab key takes away the cursor to jump 5 spaces forward. With the help of tab key, we use our cursor to 5 space jump forward. Okay. Function key. Function key can be used to perform specific tasks. With the help of function key, we perform some specific tasks. Keys that are marked from 1 to 12 are known as function key. These keys can be seen on the top portion of the keyboard. F1 key open the help and support center on the screen. With the help of F1 key, we can open or help or support center on the screen. F5 key is used to refresh on and so on. We can refresh our computer with the help of F5 key. Okay. Arrow key. The arrow key are used to move the cursor in 4 different directions. The arrow key mark are meant for choosing the direction. They are also cursor control key. This is called also cursor control key. We use this key for using different direction for cursor. Home key. This key move the cursor to the beginning of the line. With the help of home key, we use our cursor in the beginning of a line. Okay. And this key moves the cursor to the end of a line. Okay. Home key used for beginning of the line, and cursor and key we use this key for end of the line. Okay. These keys present together to move control plus home key. Okay. This keys press together to move the cursor to top of the document. If you want to move top of the document, we use control plus home. Control plus and these keys pressed together to move the cursor to the bottom of the document. Top of the document, we use control plus home. If we want to go end of the document, we use control plus and key. Page up. This key moves up the cursor or page up by one screen. If this is a screen, when we use page up key, the cursor move page up of the page. Page down, this key move the cursor page down by one screen. If here is a screen, if we use page down key, the cursor is here now. Now turn your page. Delete key. This key erase the character after the cursor to the selected text. Okay. If we use this text word from this from our monitor, we erase this by pressing delete key. Insert key. This key turn the insert mode on or off. When the insert mode is on, you can insert the text at the cursor position. When it is off, the text that you type replace exciting character. If any word we typed on our monitor, with the help of insert key, or we insert the text. Okay. And if when it is off, we can replace this word or text with the help of insert key. Insert means find out the things. Okay. And we replace the character with the help of insert key. Now here your chapter is completed now. Today you learned about the keyboard of computer. Okay. The keyboard contain various types of keys: alphabet key, special key, number key, function keys. You have to learn this keys and their work also. Here's some recap of this chapter. The keyboard is an input device that helps to enter information in the computer. The keyboard has different sets of keys. There are alphabet keys, number keys and function keys, special keys, etc. The caps lock key is used to type letter in capital phase. The backspace key is used to delete the character to the left of the cursor. The spacebar key is used to give the space between letter and word and numbers. The shift key is used to type the special symbol present on the upper part of the keys and to type learn in uppercase. Now here is some tick mark questions. You have to do this tick mark questions in your book. We will send you worksheet and the question answers you have to do in your notebook. And here are some oral questions. You have to do these questions also in your notebook. Draw the picture of keyboard in your notebook also. Okay, and now your chapter is completed. Go and take care all of you. Bye bye.